Welcome or welcome back to Cooking with Frenchy, cooking and baking made easy. This channel is celebrating 2 years this time around. The 13th of July 2019 was the first time I actually shared one of the recipe with me, and it was an old recipe for curry, Thai curry, quick and easy. So I just would like to say thank you very much for all your support, and thank you very much for all your inspiration and all the comments I get and people who are getting involved and let me know how they feel about the recipe. This has been a great journey so far. So I'm keeping up on going. And because we are just the day before Bastille Day, I just wanted to say that I'm going to share a special recipe tomorrow, a recipe about croissant. I know it's a classic and I'm sure you heard about many croissant recipe, but this is one of the best that you can do at home, and it's a recipe that actually comes back from many years back. So really I hope you enjoy it, because this recipe will be made with a sourdough starter, so no fresh or dry yeast added to it. It's just going to be very nice. It's a long process of fermentation, an old process like the ancestors of bakers used to make at the time of Marie Antoinette, more than 200 years ago. So I hope you really enjoy that recipe tomorrow. But once again, I just wanted to make sure that you really enjoy this channel. And I'd like also for you to be more interactive with me and ask me what you would like to see, or tricks or tips or any conversation. So I would be using this video and the comment section to answer your question on anything you'd like to discuss in terms of cooking, pastry, baking, how things works and why do they work, if you want something a bit more technical, and share my knowledge with you. So I hope you comment, I hope you enjoy it, and I see you tomorrow for another recipe with Cooking with Frenchy. Bye.